Hey guys, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? So we got some more news from Boxycharm. Of course, it is about their charm room. They are going to be restocking it, and it's also going to be open from May 2nd to May 17th. Guys, that is just some really cool news. And also, they changed one other little thing. If you refer a friend, if it's a new subscriber for a new subscription or whatever, instead of getting the usual 500 charms, they will be getting 1,000 charms. So I thought that was really cool. Now I'm going to show you a couple of the sneak peeks that is going to be in the charm room on the 2nd. So first of all, we got the Dose of Colors. This is the Block Party eyeshadows, and there will be 3 different shades. There is Heart of Gold, Shell, We Dance, and also My Jam. Now these are valued at $20 a piece, so that looks really cool. The next thing that we have is Milk Makeup, the Ubame or Ubame, I don't know how to say that, mascara. So this is valued at $24. That will also be in the charm room. And the last thing is the Elemis Superfood Night Cream, and you will be getting the 50 milliliter packaging bottle, whatever you want to call it. That is valued at $45, guys. And if I find any more, I will be updating you on the charm room, every sneak peek, everything that they reveal. So guys, make sure your bell is turned on. That way you're notified of every single video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also guys, go ahead and rate the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. It doesn't really matter, just as long as it shows YouTube that you are at least watching my videos. And one more thing before you leave, guys, just one tiny thing. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.